The act of quickly closing and opening one's eye while leaving the other one open is known as an
Occhiolino.
in Italian, or wink in English.
Occhiolino.
Occhiolino is the diminutive form of
Occhio.
meaning eye, so it literally means small eye. Its usage is mostly limited to the expression,
Fare l'occhiolino.
which means to wink.
Le ho fatto l'occhiolino per farle capire che stavo dalla sua parte.
I winked at her to let her know I was on her side. Interestingly, occhiolino isn't the only way to say wink in Italian. In addition to the alternative diminutive form,
Occhietto.
there's also the term,
Ammiccamento.
although they're considered synonyms,
Ammiccamento
is used only when there's a clear understanding or agreement between the two speakers. It's also used in medical terms to indicate the rapid and momentary closure of the eyelids as a defense reflex. You may also encounter the term,
strizzata, strizzatina d'occhio.
which literally means squeezing of the eye. Some synonyms for the expression fare l'occhiolino include
Fare l'occhietto, ammiccare, strizzare l'occhio. Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.